subscribers, they will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just Facebook stuck on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just try to close your Facebook and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after you can try to open cellular data or mobile data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second and just turn it off. So after you can try to restart your phone, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power the phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your Facebook app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write here Facebook. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it was successful. It says latest updates for your Facebook app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.